I have my wheat flour here with me. So I want to cook porridge. Then I have this all-purpose flour. So I want to cook snacks, mandazi. So this is my baking powder. Then I have my liquid oil, cooking liquid oil. So now first thing I need to prepare porridge. So here in the village, when you want to prepare porridge, you need to use warm water. Then you can see I have water here, guys. So let me take my cup here. So this water is too hot, so I need to warm to mix with cold water. Then this is my cooking stick. So you need to make sure you have mixed it properly. Very well. So you can see in the village we are using fire to cook. So you can see some smoke. So this is the struggle of living here in the village. So guys, when you want to cook your porridge, you need to make sure you need to warm your water first. So guys, now this is my flour. Baking powder. I'm going to add here 4 spoons of baking powder. This is salt. This is my sugar, guys. So guys, I'm going to put here my oil liquid. Then here I'm going to add here little oil. just to make it soft when I'm rolling. So it's supposed to be like this. Okay, so I'm waiting for my oil to get ready. So when I'm going to use this table to roll my duff. So this is a duff. So guys, you can see I have my baby here. Say hi. Hi. So guys, let me prepare. So guys, you can see this, I'm still cooking my snacks, so guys, but I need to taste one. Oh guys, look at this. You can see the way it is, guys. So this snack is so delicious. So let me cook for my kids in the village. Your mandazi looks, hey, wow, thank you. It looks delicious.
Very nice. Can I enjoy one?
You can try.
Huh?
You can. Don't take me in the video.